Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making another Mother's Day card. For this I have taken a grey color A4 size paper. I am marking 13 into 19 centimeter. And then I am going to cut out this piece. Next I have taken a red color A4 paper which I am folding into half. Next I have taken a black color paper of the same size 13 into 19 centimeter. I have used the same method as shown earlier to cut this. Then I am applying glue and then sticking it to the red color paper. Next I have taken a piece of red color paper which I am folding into half. Then I am drawing an outline as shown and then I am going to cut it out. In this way our paper heart is ready. Now I am taking a glitter foam sheet and I am placing this piece here and then I will draw an outline. Then I am going to cut this along the outline. I have taken a double-sided foam tape to stick the heart to the card. And that's it, the front part of our card is ready. You can see how easy it was to make this. Now I have taken the grey color paper which we had cut earlier and using glue I am going to stick it. We can write whatever message we want inside. And that's it, our Mother's Day card is ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.